Hello students of class 8. Today I will be starting exercise 3 of algebra. Now there is find the squares of the following. So first we have to learn the formula, important formula. That means exercise 3. First we have to learn important formula. One is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Number 2, a minus b whole square, a square minus twice ab plus b square. Same, only there is plus, so there will be plus twice ab, there is minus, there will be minus twice ab. Now third, a square plus b square. You can write in this form either a plus b whole square minus twice ab, or we can write a minus b whole square plus twice ab. You will see that if the value of a plus b is given, then you will apply this formula. Or a minus b given value of a minus b, then we have to apply this formula. So a square plus b square equals to, there are two forms, a plus b whole square minus twice ab, or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Now see the formula. Then next formula, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Another is ab. ab equals to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. So if you don't know this formula in class 7, if you not learn this, so you have to memorize this formula. Clear? Now I'll start. Find the squares of the following expression. Okay, I am doing first number 1. It is given, find the square of the following expression, 7x plus 3y whole square. So it is in that form, a plus b whole square. Suppose it is a and it is b, so it is in the form of a plus b whole square. This equals to what we can write, a square plus 2a into b plus b square. Here in this particular sum, your a is 7x and b is 3y. Now 7 square means 49 and x square plus multiply 3 to the 6, 6 7 the 42, xy plus 3 whole square means 9 y square. So square of this means you have to put it in the formula of a plus b whole square. Now next one. All the sums of this category I will not do, you will practice. Now I have done this. Now I am doing number 3. 2a square plus 5b square. 2a square plus 5b square whole square. Now equals to 2. Here it is your a and it is your b. So 2a square whole square. A square plus 2a into b plus b square. Now when you open the bracket, 2 whole square means 4. Now here you have to say a square, already square is there. Each square, that means 2 2s are 4. Be careful about that. 2 2s are 4. Plus here 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. A square, b square. Similarly here 5 square means 25. And here also b square is there, so it will be b to the power 4. Clear? Then 1 minus I am doing number 5 xy minus 5z whole square. Now here it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Here, what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square minus 2a into b plus b square. First you have to write down this step. Then you will open the bracket x. Here don't do this mistake. Xy whole square means x square y square, not xy square. Clear? X square y square minus here 5 2s are 10 x y z plus 25 z square. Clear? Then another negative 1. This is sum number 5. 4 PQ minus RS. PQ minus RS whole square. So again I have to put it in that formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So when you will open the bracket, it will become p square q square minus 2 pq rs plus r square s square. Clear? Now this is the method of finding squares. Either it will be in the form of a plus b or it will be in the form of a minus b. When it is a plus b, then you have to apply a square plus 2ab plus b square. And when it is a minus b, you will apply a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then next, simplify. Simplify number 7. 4x plus 3y whole square plus 2 into 4x plus 3y into 4x minus 3y plus 4x minus 3y whole square. Now you see, it is given just in reverse form of first one. It is given here. It is in the form, suppose it is a, it is b. It is given in that form, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to what you can write? A plus b whole square. So here it will be a means 4x plus 3y and b means 4x minus 3y. So a plus b whole square. Now 3y and 3y will be cancelled out. Now you have to add 4x plus 4x, 8x. 8 whole square means 64 x square. This is the answer. So you have seen that it is given in that form, right hand side of the formula given a square plus 2ab plus b square. And this equal to, we can write a plus b whole square. Now doing number 9. So your first step will be, you have to find out what is your A and what is your B. Now see, this is one expression and that is another expression. Now see, it is in that form. Suppose it is A, it is B. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this equals to what you can write? A plus B whole square. So we'll write again 5x minus 7y plus 9y minus 4x whole square. So first you have to find out in your problem what is your A and what is your B. Now 5x minus 4x means x minus 7 plus 9, that means 2y whole square. Again you see, once more time, it is given in this form or they have opened the bracket again, A plus B whole square. Let's see. They have opened the bracket. Again it is in the form of A plus B whole square. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. Yeah? This equal to what we can write? X square plus 2 2s are 4 xy plus 4y square. So it is not ended here. It is again coming in the form of A plus B whole square. So it is equal to A square formula plus 2AB plus B square. And this is the answer. Clear? Then expressed as a perfect square and find the value. Next type. We have to first simplify, then we have to put the values. Number 11. Okay, number 10 I am doing this. P expressed as a perfect, no, simplified. P plus Q minus R whole square plus 2 P plus Q minus R into P minus Q plus R plus P minus Q plus R whole square. Here you have to find out what is your A, what is your B. This is A and another type is, this is B. So it is given in the form of A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this equals to what you can write? A plus B whole square. Now P positive, it will not be cancelled. Q minus Q. Minus R plus R. So P plus P twice P whole square. After opening the bracket, 2 square means 4 P square. Clear? Now we will go to the next, express as a perfect square and find the value. That means we have to first simplify, then we will put the value. Number 11. 25x square plus 40xy plus 16y square. First we will express it in the form of A plus B whole square. Now this one we can write to 25x square means we can write it in the form 5x whole square. When we will open the bracket, it will become 5 square means 25x square. Then 2 into 5x. Now 40 is there. So we have got 10. Then there will be 4y. So 5 2s are 10. 10 into 4, 40, 40xy. So automatically your term B is coming 4y whole square. This means 16y square. Clear? Now it is in that form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write a plus b whole square. We have expressed as a perfect square. Clear? First part over. Then find the value. Okay, x given minus 18. Value of x given minus 18 and y given 23. So we put here 5 into minus 18 plus 4 into 23 whole square. Now 18 into 5. 18 into 5 means 18 into 5 90. There is minus sign, so it will be negative. And these 4 3s are 12, 92 whole square. Clear? So 92 minus 90 means 2. 2 square means 4. So express as a perfect square. This was given. We have written in this step in that form a square plus 2ab plus b square. This equals to coming a plus b whole square. Now values given of x and y, values of x and y given, we have put over here. Then minus 18 into 5 minus 90, and this is 92. 92 minus 92 whole square. Clear? In this way you have to do. Now next sum you will get it next video.